G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, another box has arrived. This one is very interesting and it's a perfect time too. So, trusty knife. Let us open this up and see exactly what we have in here. So, actually what I think I might do first, just take that con mode out of there. And this is you're seeing this for the first time as I am. So I have a lovely little handwritten note here from Network Acoustics. So this best wishes from Rob. So thank you, Rob. And what we have in here is something that we're gonna have a look at, a really good look at. This is the Eno2. So let's slide this outer sleeve off. And then we're with another lovely looking box like this. Now I will say this got here super fast. I was only talking to Rob about this not that long ago, and about a week ago, and it's already here. So in there we have their instruction book manual, and another little black envelope there, which we'll have a look at some point. Then off with our little bit of protective foam, and ooh, in here, gee whiz, this is heavy too, is the Eno2. There it is there. And we have RJ45 in and out. As you can see there, this is very heavy, really heavy. So, it's a really lovely piece of engineering. So we will be putting that into the system, and we have in here some beautiful looking cables. Wow, wowee. We have a longer version by the look of this and a shorter version. These look very nice. You guys can see that. I actually think I might stand up here and show you guys. So there is a little plug here, and that comes off, and there is the RJ45 connector. Really lovely looking bit of kit. So we're going to put this in the system, and we're gonna play around with it. We're gonna have a listen to it. We'll review it. We'll do this as a community again, like we do with everything here, and we'll see what we find. I'll certainly be giving you a final thoughts video about it once I put it in my system as a standalone piece of equipment and judged it by itself, and we'll no doubt talk about this. If you've got any questions or anything you'd like to ask me about it, by all means leave those questions in the comments below the video. But there's a fair bit going on here at the moment. There's stuff rolling in right, left and center, and it's exciting times at an Aussie Audiophile. So please don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you're enjoying this kind of thing and you want to learn about all this stuff. And if you haven't subscribed, all I can ask you to do is please consider doing that. It helps me build my community, it helps the channel get bigger, and then stuff like this just keeps turning up for us to look at as a community. So until we talk again, it's bye for now.